Hey, it's Abhi here. Welcome to the video. So I'm going to talk about how to get approved on WarriorPlus even with zero sales, right? This is a classic problem for new affiliates. You need sales to get approved, but you need approvals to get sales, right? This is a classic conundrum here. One relies on each other, but if you are not getting approved, how are you going to get sales? And if you have no sales, how are you going to get approved? So that's why I am creating this video, and I'm going to talk about 3 ways to do it, right? One will be the traditional, the best way. Second will be the guaranteed approval way, and the third will be a little bit gray hat, but I will talk about it. So the first one is the best way. The traditional way is to apply for it normally, right? But there is a specific way to do it. So first of all, never ever use the default request message. I would like to promote your product. Hey, this is Abhi. I would like to promote your product. Please approve me. If you do that kind of request, please stop it, right? That is an instant deny from most vendors. Instead, you must write a personal note in the request box. So if you go to WarriorPlus here, you will see the request approval. Click on that. This is the box here. You actually, enter your request here, right? So in here, you need to write a note properly that explains exactly how you plan to promote their product. Even if you're just starting, this shows you are a serious professional affiliate. All right. And I have got you a template here, and that is hi vendor's name. Like here it's JK. So hi JK, and my name is Abhi, and I would like to request approval to promote the RIM 7. Okay. I know I'm new to WarriorPlus, but I'm building my business for the long term. My promotion plan is to, and you need to just explain your method in detail, right? My promotion plan is to create an honest review video for my YouTube channel, or write a detailed blog post review, or promote it to my small and growing email list. All right. And then actually show them your YouTube channel or the blog that you're going to do your review on, or you're going to promote, right? Show them your source, even if it's small, even if you have 0 subscribers. Let's just say you are a new affiliate and you want to start doing review videos on YouTube. So first go and create that YouTube channel, have a good banner image, have a professional picture on your profile, and make it clear that you are a serious affiliate and you're going to work. All right. And I'm focused on sending high quality targeted traffic, and I believe your your product is a great fit for my audience. Thank you for considering me. If you just use this template and if you just edit it or as per your needs, right, you are far ahead than those affiliates who are just typing like, I would like to promote your product, please. So you can use it. Now the second strategy, the guaranteed approval shortcut, is that you can get this offer from Kevin Fahe, and the name of that offer is Warrior Affiliate for $1, and this is that offer here. All right. For just $1, you will be able to get a lot of Kevin Fahe's offer pre-approved. All right. You will get access to a list of affiliate offers, mostly his, which will be pre-approved for you after you get it for just $1. You don't need to pay anything, right? The best part is that for that $1, you get additional training on affiliate marketing as well. You will learn how to make your first 50 sales with affiliate marketing and such, right? How to get free traffic without paid ads, a huge boost. So yeah, if you are a new affiliate, right, just spend that $1 and get these offers on your arsenal, which you can promote, right? If you just get it, you will have enough offers to promote, and you can check it here. This is the link. I will have the link in the description. Now the third, the kind of a gray hat way. So for example, if you want to start launch jacking, you need to get affiliate link for the products that has not been launched yet, right? So for that, first is this, right? This should work. But if you want to increase your chance significantly, then you can use this Warrior Affiliate, right? The gray hat way kind of, depends on the Warrior Affiliate. So you purchase this offer, you get all this offer. You also get the pre-approved affiliate link for this Warrior Affiliate offer as well, right? So once you get the Warrior Affiliate, you will get approved for Warrior Affiliate offer as well. Then you can actually get help from your friends or family and have them buy that from you for $1, right? If you have 4 or 5 friends, tell them to buy it using your affiliate link for $1. And when they do that, your new affiliate's profile will showcase sales number. So now if a vendor goes to your profile and decide whether to reject or approve your affiliate request, they will see these numbers, this sales number, right? Whether it's 5, whether it's 10, and they don't see the amount. They don't see the commissions that you made. They will see the amount of sales that you made, right? And once you see that 5 to 10 sales and you have 0 refund rates, then that significantly increases the chance of getting approved, right? So use this Warrior Affiliate strategy, and also also always use this pattern, this template here to request your affiliate link, right? So that's it, guys. Your classic problem will be solved if you just do this. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. I will answer them. All right. See you in the next one. Cheers.